Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Typeform embed code for any website. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your embed code for any website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto Typeform. Then click onto a form which you want to get the embed code for. Then click on share. Then on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on embed in a web page. Next, go ahead and click on new embed. Then click on start embedding. Now this is the code that you can copy onto any website. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get the embed Typeform code for any website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.